1952. The story was mainly on a farm. The book is a fable. There are three main characters. They are Fern, nice little girl, Wilbur the pig, and Charlotte the spider who made Wilbur the walker, and she also wanted people to think Wilbur was a special pig. In the beginning of the story, Fern said wanted to kill Wilbur because he was too small. Fern said, if I was too small, would you kill me? Fern wanted to protect Wilbur from death, so she was willing to take care of him and raise Wilbur. In the middle of the story, Fern had to give her uncle Wilbur so she would not be attached to Wilbur. Once Wilbur moved to the barn, he met Charlotte. Charlotte made Wilbur feel welcome. Charlotte spun Welcome Pig into her way. She made friends with Wilbur at the end of the story. Wilbur grew up in the barn. He won first place at the fair. Wilbur and Charlotte became good friends. Everyone in town wanted to see what Charlotte wrote in her wedding. Charlotte wrote terrific, so the people would think Wilbur was a special pig. I learned a lot from reading the story because Wilbur and Charlotte became good friends. We have been reading about friendship in my class. The main idea in the story is that people or animals that are different can live together and learn the meaning of friendship. The story was a fable because the animals talk to each other. This book caused a lot of emotions in me. I felt sad when Charlotte died. Charlotte was on her resources. Wilbur was not served for dinner. Charlotte brought attention to the farm. So she also had nice words to say about Wilbur. People would come to the barn just to see what Charlotte wrote in her wedding. When Wilbur was not killed, that made me feel happy because Wilbur was a funny pig at times. I thought Fern was nice for standing up for a burnt pig in the beginning of the story. I really enjoyed reading Charlotte's Web.
I still like to watch the movie Charlotte's Web. Very good. And I like your costume. So she brought her book. Oh, the poster is very nice. Her book is on the poster. Influence creativity, very good. And you wore your costume as 20 points. Could everyone hear her? Yes. And she completed her poster. It was very good. Okay, here you
Give me
go,
a point.
sweetheart. Thank you. It was very good.
Okay, go sit down.